Hello, did you spend your most time with terminal? Did you know or use these tools? Midnight command to manage your files, htop to monitor resource utilization on your system, VRM and nano to edit the text files. All these are developed using NCURSES library. This course is to show you how to develop a TUI or text-based user interface program with NCURSES library. In this course, you will learn the concepts like terminal, window, or pad, and learn to use NCURSES APIs to lay out windows, input-output, or handle mouse events. And you will also learn how to use NCURSES extensions of panel, menu, and form to accomplish some common UI tasks like menu and dialogues. To make this course more practical, a TUI file management example program will be developed. You can follow this course to develop it, or use it to explore some advanced NCURSES functions. I hope this course can help you if you are interested in NCURSES library. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you in the course.